experiments, and today we are going to be doing rainbow wheel.
Wheel, Edgy, who's your friend that's joining you today?
James.
James, can you say hi? Hi. All right. So, what ingredients do we have today, Edge?
We have candy, but the fake, and we have a water, and we have a dish tray.
Cool. All right. So, what we're gonna do, you boys are gonna take turns. You're gonna take turns each putting one at a time. So, Edge first, and then James, until we fill the circle. So, James next.
Hey, he did.
That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. You guys are one at a time. You're gonna scatter them. Oh, what's gonna happen is the lukewarm water, after we put it into the container, is gonna... You're gonna see all these different colors. No, not yet, not yet. There you go. All right, go ahead, Edge. Carefully. Carefully.
Let's wait a little bit.
Put a little more. Put a little more. Put all of it. Put all of it. There you go. All right, let's see if the water starts to swirl around.
It's doing it. It's doing its job.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, let's take a closer look.
There's some yellow.
Oh, you see some of... Oh, yeah, I see it too. Okay,
There's
listen.
some orange.
Yeah. And swirl it around a little bit. Get it to activate a little bit. Oh, you see that? The colors are starting to swirl around.
Yummy.
Why don't you guys take turns gently shaking it? James first. There you go. Let's get an even closer look. Wow. So the lukewarm water is causing the color of the candy to shed out. It's mixing. Okay, boys, take turns. Lift both of your heads up. We have two very curious scientists here. All right, so what did we learn today, Edge?
If you put warm water and candy in the tray, they will do a wheel like this.
Yay! James, did you have fun with this experiment? All right, Edge, is there anything you want to tell? Wait, Edge, what are you doing? Is there anything you want to tell your audience? Where are you going? Edgy, where are you going? All right, Ed, you cannot go in there because Mommy's working. I need you to give your goodbye to your audience now.
I got an elephant here. Bye-bye.
No, do it over here. Okay, what do you have here?
An elephant.
Okay, an elephant. All right, what do you want to tell your audience before you go?
Thanks for watching my video, and it's my birthday!
It was your birthday, okay.